Here's another money management tip that actually helps make you magnetic to more, especially for entrepreneurs. And that is to have a separate account for tax money and to make sure you keep drip feeding tax money into that as money's coming into your business. It's going to do a number of things. Number one, on a practical level, it means that when you get a tax bill, you'll actually be able to pay it. And that's a really amazing feeling. What it also does is it actually shows that you're serious about your business and you expect to make profit on which you will be taxed. And in fact, I actually suggest that you start thinking of tax as a goal. You want to have the biggest tax bill imaginable. Not because you love having tax bills, but because it means that you've had an amazing year in business and that's what you want. So your tax bill is actually confirmation of your business's profitability and financial success. So shift your mindset and start thinking about tax as evidence that you did really, really well. And when you get prepared, when you set up the practical steps to be able to pay that tax bill, then you're fine. And it's actually a wonderful feeling to say, here we go. Here, Mr. Taxman, here's my tax money. Please spend it on schools and roads and all those good things that we then get to benefit from as a society. So the other cool thing is that as you're putting that tax money aside, it's still your money, right? Until you actually get that tax bill, it's still there for you in case of emergency. You haven't actually sent it to the tax office just yet. You'll only do that right at the end when you get the final numbers confirmed. So do that now. If you don't have a separate tax account yet, I encourage you to just get on your mobile banking, set up another account, call it tax money, and then put a percentage of all your gross income into that account and do your very best not to touch it. Let me know in the comments, have you got a separate tax account? Are you going to do this? How do you feel about it? And has that little mindset shift I talked about how to think about tax, is that making a big difference for you? Because I know it's certainly made a huge difference for me. I look forward to hearing from you. Have an awesome day. If you're ready to take the next step, then jump on the free Organize and Tidy Your Banking workshop. You'll find the link to it in the description of this episode below. And be sure to check out these videos next to help you create even more abundance, both inside and out.